Ludicrous Feed is proudly sponsored by Car Loop Data and Cobra Car Insurance. Hey everyone, and welcome to my second BYD Seal accessories video. Today I'm going to focus on the cargo liners for the boot and the front trunk or bonnet, as well as some floor mats for the interior as well. So let's start off with the boot, and here is the cargo liner for the boot, and it fits absolutely beautifully edge to edge on either side, and made of really good material in case you do need to protect the boot area, and just for everyday use as well, just throwing things in the boot. Very sturdy, and yeah, should be very good to protect your boot area for a long time to come. And let me just move my glass roof shades for 1 second, which come included with the car here in Australia. A little hump at the back there because there is a hump as well in this section, so good to know it has been designed specifically for the BYD Seal and protects that area too. And it's the same thing on this side. Let me move this there for 1 sec. So yep, symmetrical edge to edge. Let me just move everything out so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. There is the boot liner for the Seal, and you'll see that it's creased in the middle as well, which means that if you want to lift up the boot to access the subfloor area, it will fold as well with it, which is very handy. And there is the subfloor area right here. So down here there's also a liner. Let me just move my stuff out of the way. And there it is, the subfloor liner. Again, fitting beautifully in this area here. So it's been designed specifically for the BYD Seal. And of course, all these accessories can be bought from Top BYD. I'll leave a link and coupon code in the video description below. Now, if I remove the liner, there's actually another subfloor area below this, and that's where the tyre compressor and repair kit sits as well. And here's a pro tip for you guys. If you remove that tyre compressor and repair kit and put that in a separate bag, you can actually access a lot more storage down here in this subfloor area. So that's just handy in case you need to carry extra luggage or whatever on your journey. Okay, so next stop is the front trunk or bonnet area. Let's have a look. So that is the storage area here. Lift it up, stays up by itself. And there's another liner here for this fairly deep bonnet storage area. I normally keep my Type 2 charging cable here, as well as a Type 1 to Type 2 converter. So there it is. If I remove that, what it looks like. Again, nice to keep that area nice and tidy and easy to clean as well. So great to have this frunk or bonnet storage liner for the Seal. Okay, next is the second row floor mats, and there it is right there. Again, beautifully fitting along the back row here, all the way along the edge, as well as to the seats as well, edge to edge. Really, really lovely. And yeah, if you've got a messy life, or just just a normal life like I do, but kids in and out of the car, pets, whatever, it's just good to have this floor liner or floor mats just to keep this area protected and tidy, easy to clean, easy to vacuum, and really tough, sturdy material as well. So that's what it looks like up close right there, if you can see that. Yep, pretty happy with it. It looks okay, right? It's nothing too fancy, but it really does the job. So yeah, that's nice. And you can see how it fits contours around the seat rails and then the center console. So yeah, good job. Very nice. And same thing in the passenger seat in the front row. Again, fitting very nicely here. Contours the edges beautifully, and around the edge here as well. So like I said, much easier to vacuum this stuff here, and keeping your car nice and clean and protected. And finally, the floor mat for the driver's seat. A few scuff marks already, which is good, doing its job. And sits beautifully around the pedals too, and up on the footrest. And back here again, on this side near the seat, You see there's some extra buttons here because they actually fit inside these holders. So click and click. So yeah, very good. And just a couple more things I wanted to talk about before I finish the video. Those of you who saw part 1 of my accessories video might have seen that the screen protector I had was shiny or gloss. I've changed over to the matte finish, which I prefer. No reflections and less glare as well. Easy enough again to install. And Top BYD also sent me this wireless charging pad protector down here. So it just literally just sits on top of the original charging area, or wireless charging area. It's just this rubberized silicone stuff and fits beautifully. I guess it makes the charging area more grippy, just so your device doesn't slide around as much when you're driving. It's definitely charging. Okay, wireless charging in progress. I guess logically, now that there's more material between the charging pad and your device, I guess the charging rate will probably slow down. By how much, I don't know, but that's something you've got to be aware of. And just to finish off, a couple of key fob holders for your BYD Seal. I guess these will fit the other key fobs too, like the BYD Dolphin and the BYD Atto 3. This one's leather, and this one's Alcantara. So take your pick. I personally prefer the leather one, and the color too, so I'll stick with this one, but this one's easy enough to install. That is more to your liking. Right everyone, well thank you so much for watching. You've seen me showcase the floor liners for the BYD Seal, both the interior and also the cargo areas as well, like the boot and the frunk or bonnet storage area. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next Ludicrous Feed video, happy charging.